Hi, this is Jackie from Jackie Burns Creation. I'm making a cute fall wreath today. Hope you join us. So I got the wreath at Walmart. They were about $5 a wreath because I just like the size. They were big, where the ones at Dollar Tree are small. But most everything else I've gotten from Dollar Tree. You can see the sign. I'm sure it looks very familiar to you. I'm putting down some greenery, some ivy, and other leaves. That's a good base to start. I went to upload this video yesterday, but it was 15 minutes and 4 seconds, and it wouldn't let me upload because I'm only allowed 15 minutes and under. So hopefully I'll keep putting up new videos and get more and more time. But I've tried to edit it so it makes a little sense. The yellow flowers would look really nice because in the picture they've got yellow flowers with the apples. Putting in a few orange daisies. When you're making a wreath, it's best to, like if you're going to put in flowers, to have 3 or a bunch of 3 in different spots. You can see I've got all kinds of florals hanging out all over the place. Fall leaves in there. Of course, they came from Dollar Tree. Most all the flowers came from Dollar Tree. You can get some pretty decent ones over at Walmart though, and they're 97 cents. So sometimes for 3 cents more, it's worth it for me to go across the street. They're across the street from each other where I live. I want to throw a little bit of color in there with the fall leaves, but not too much. I put a lot more in my pumpkin video. Just tuck them underneath there, and that's what's nice about a twig wreath, is you can just stick them right in there. Some people don't even glue them because they want to take them apart and use the same wreath for later. I figure I'm just keeping it permanent. The signs, if you want to just take it apart, you can put pipe cleaners, fold the pipe cleaner in half and put it on the back of the sign, one on top, one on the bottom, and then when you hook it down, you can just you glue them down in the middle. Then you just wrap it around the wreath, and that'll keep it on. Love these little pomegranates or crab apples or whatever they are they got at the Dollar Tree this year. Love the colors, love the the lighter red, and I really, really like the really deep burgundy red. And even if they're pomegranates, they still look good. They still look good on the apple wreath. Going a bunch on there. So all in all, it took me about 18 minutes to make this wreath. So if you pretty much lay out what you want, and if you really, go ahead and cut the florals ahead of time, you can actually really make one pretty fast. They really had some great signs at Dollar Tree this year. I made my friend a wreath with the red truck sign. Oh, see that little floral I just picked up? One day I was at Walmart and they had a bunch of flowers and greenery on clearance, and it said it was on clearance for 50 cents. So I thought, wow, that's a deal. So just by chance, I have the app on my phone. I scanned it. It's like 19 cents a piece. So of course I grabbed almost every one they had and the bunch of flowers. Now this lamb's ear that I'm putting on there, or Dusty Miller, either one, they sell those at Walmart in bunches for 97 cents. I guess earlier in the spring, Dollar Tree had them in picks, but I never did see any. There's a lot of things I don't see at Dollar Tree that other people haul. And then there's a lot of things I see like 2 months later after somebody in New York or Indiana has been showing. Even people in Texas. So I think the West is kind of slow on getting the Dollar Tree items. So it needs a little bit of different color greenery in there. So that's why I'm tucking the lamb's ears in. It up and look around, look at the other side, see what you think it needs. Yeah, 19 cents for that. Not bad, huh? Pick out things with different colors that is going to harmonize with what you're putting in there. Pick out things with different textures, different sizes. let things overlap. Oh, I love these. These are hops. They came in, I think, some other colors too, but I just love the cream color ones. These were from Dollar Tree. Make sure when you're doing florals, you have yourself a good pair of wire cutters. The ones from Dollar Tree, aren't that great. These I kind of confiscated from my husband. Hope he doesn't watch this video. Oh, I'm just kind of finishing up here, looking at it from all different sides to see what I need to add on. Yeah, throw in a few more of those hops. Oh, there's the really pretty deep burgundy color of the pomegranates. They look more brown on camera, but oh, they're such a pretty color. Gotta throw in a few of those. Slide that leaf up toward the top. Yeah, here it is all finished. You can see I did a little twine bow and I put one of the little pomegranates in it to cover up that hole. I decided not to do a bow on this one.